seen a rabbit right here.
He got gun up now.
He rolling. He dead. I don't think they running that rabbit.
I don't know if they are or not.
Between me and you, Richard. Between me and you. Between me and you, Richard. Between me and you. Coming to you, Brandon. Right here, right there. Coming to you, Brandon. Right here, right there.
There he goes. I got a shot, but I don't know where Richard's at. Right there is where I saw him. You see him? All over top of him, come on. All right, y'all, we back out here again. First big hunt, 2025. It is January the 4th, first Saturday. We've done killed 6 rabbits in here so far. Tried to get some footage here and there. Forgot to do a little intro this morning, but 25 degrees out here. Not too cold, but the wind is really cutting. So, trying to kind of stay in the bushes, run the rabbit out on the edge, give them a kill. But we got 9 shooters out here today, 11 dogs on the ground. Dogs are running great today, slow moving, but they steady pushing the rabbit through. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Check in with y'all in a little bit.
Damn! Chad's coming to you. Call the dog! Right here, right here! Right here, right here, right here, right here! Right here, right here, right here, right here! Right here, right here, right here! Yeah! Right here! Right here, right here, right here! Hey, hold on, I got him. You. Back to you, Chad. Yep.
I saw it. Got in the way. I was afraid of that the whole time. I wanted to come up there and move it, but I was like, the second I go up there, I'll get in the way myself.
That was my rabbit right there, man.
God.
That was it.
We've been trying for 2 years to get Tom's rabbit.
It's okay.
We're gonna name that rabbit Saved by Sony. You better get ready. He's gonna come. He's gonna bust that road. There he is! Tom! I told him to get ready. He's about to bust the road. I don't think so. He shot real late.
I don't know.
Did y'all get him?
No. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh, she is dead. Oh, she is dead.
Oh, down your little gully.
Now let's see you go get. Are you sure about that? What the hell?
Finish it off with a pistol.
Yeah.
We came back to the spot he's talking about, so I give him that. 12-foot shot.
That thing's gonna look like spaghetti when it comes out of there. All right, let's get that bro.
Yeah, that thing.
Oh my God. That thing is the size of a mouse.
Field mice.
That is a tiny, tiny, tiny.
Stick like this. Yeah. Breaking them off.
Been a long day out here. It's thick as crap, man. The browse are tall as your head, some places taller. But the dogs are making do with it. We done jumped. Let's see. 14 we jumped, so we killed 9 of 14. It's just, you know, sometimes we put a couple in lap piles. Most of the time we just get in here crawling around these briars and the dogs can't keep up with them. They lose track, lose scent. But over and all, had a good day. Still chunking. We're gonna try to see if we can't get up to double digits before we quit. We'll check in with y'all when we finish up.
Chances between me and you. You get him, Chance?
Yeah, I got him.
Okay. Chances between me and you. Yeah, I got him. Good dog. Woo-hoo. Good dog. Woo-hoo. Good dog. Hey, here's another one right here. Yo. He squatted right here in front of me. Way to go. Coming to you, Chuck. Yo. Right here, right here, right here. Right here, right here, right here.
That's what we're working with. One man's on the
There
ground,
he
the
goes,
other's on
there
the
he
stump. That's how high the brows are. I mean, thick.
There he goes, there he goes, there he goes.
By the way, killed that one from just seconds ago.
Right here, right here, right here.
And they jumped
Right
another
here, right here,
haul
right
over
here.
up.
There he goes. Right here, right here,
So
right here.
hopefully we'll have
Right here,
another
right
chase
here, right
here
here.
momentarily.